Hi, in this video we'll learn how to solve system of equations by graphing. So you can see my equations are already in the slope-intercept form. So I just have to identify the slope and y-intercept and then I'm good to go. I can just start graphing. So for the first equation, let's find what is the slope. Slope is, remember that slope is the coefficient of x. Here y equals mx plus b, slope is the coefficient of x. So m is our slope and here the coefficient of x is 2. I can write this as 2 over 1 because remember that we have to write slope in the form of fraction because slope is rise over 1. So whenever you have a whole number and you want to write that in the form of fraction, you can always set the denominator equal to 1. Now my y-intercept is -4. I can write this as b is equal to -4, or I can also write this as an ordered pair, so 0, -4. Now remember that your y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. So where the line crosses y-axis, your x-coordinate is always 0. So we have got this point, and we have got the slope. Now for the second equation, let's see what is our slope here. So slope is coefficient of x, so slope is 1 over 4, and it looks good because it's already in fraction. And then our y-intercept is +3, and I can also write this point as 0, 3. Okay? So we are good to go. Now let's grab the equation. So let's grab this equation first. M is equal to 1 over 4. Slope is 1 over 4 and the y-intercept is 3. So it's y-intercept is 3. So we'll start from the point 0, 3. And then slope is 1 over 4. So we'll go up 1 over 4. So up 1 over 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll be here. Okay? And then I can also go more farther, up 1 over 4. No, I can't. So I'll just try to go as far as I can, but I can't go to the right. So instead of doing that, we can also go down 1 and to the left 4. Now remember, our slope is 1 over 4. And I can also write this as -1 over -4. It will still remain same because negative and negative will cancel out each other. So instead of going up 1, to the right 4, I can also go down 1 and to the left 4. So I'm doing the same. I'm going down 1 and to the left 4. So I'll be here. And then we can just connect the points because 3 points are enough here. So we'll just connect these points and we have got the nice line, straight line. I can just make arrows here. Okay. Now for the next line, for the second line, I have to start from the point 0, -4. So I'll start from the point 0, -4. And my slope is 2 over 1. So I'll go up 2, 1, 2, and then over 1. I've got this point here. Up 2, I can go 1, 2, up 2, and then over 1. And I can do the same thing. Up 2, 1, 2, and then over 1. And again, I can go up 2 and then over 1. So I have got this point again. So this point is my intersection point. Since I've got my intersection point, I'll just connect these points to make a nice line. So here, I've got the line here, and I can stretch this line, expand this line more. Okay, so this is my point of intersection, and this point is 4, 4. This point is 4. So my x is 4 here, and then my y is also 4 here. So I've got the intersection point, which is 4, 4.